Hi 2C. For my Introduce a Pet, I'd like to introduce you to my pet snake, Jinx. Well, actually, she's my daughter's pet snake, but my daughter's left her two pets at home for us to look after. So this is Jinx. She is a Stimson's python. I'm doing this on Shadow Puppet EDU, the app, if you'd like to try it to create your Introduce a Pet video to post to Seesaw. Jinx loves being outside in the sun when she gets a chance, although she doesn't really like being out in the open. Snakes are quite shy creatures, and she'd actually prefer to be hidden away somewhere. Now 2C, Jinx is a pet snake. She's used to being handled, and even then we have to be extra careful washing our hands. She was fed yesterday, but we still have to be careful with her because she is a wild animal. So of course don't try to touch any snakes out in the wild because they are wild creatures. You can see how she might be camouflaged in this grass. And she feels quite smooth to touch. If you touch going down her body on her scales, watch the way that she moves backwards from side to side. And her favourite thing is to actually be on someone. My daughter, she used to tuck herself up into her clothing and even under her t-shirt and keep nice and warm. And here she is back home again.